How to fix TikTok. Direct message. Option not showing. Are you frustrated because the direct message option has mysteriously disappeared from your TikTok app? Don't worry. And I've got the solution. First, verify your age. If you're under 16, you won't be able to access DMs, but if your birth date is incorrect on your profile, you can contact TikTok support through settings, report a problem, and submit proof of your actual age to have it corrected. Next, if you're using a business account, switch to a personal account by going to Settings, Manage Account. Switch to Personal Account. This change will enable the DM feature. Another thing to check is your privacy settings. Go to Privacy, Direct Messages, and TikTok settings, and make sure your settings allow friends to message you. Adjust this to a preference that works best for you. If your app is glitching, updating or reinstalling TikTok can resolve many issues. Check the App Store or Play Store for updates, and if that doesn't work, delete and reinstall TikTok to refresh the app. Lastly, make sure TikTok has the necessary app permissions. On your phone, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, Permissions, and ensure it has access to features like contacts and storage. And there you have it. If you followed these steps, your direct message option should be back and working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.